Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on computer fundamentals. This is part first. Now come to the question. Number 1. The term computer is derived from A. Latin, B. German, C. French, D. Arabic. The correct option is A. Latin. 2. Who is the inventor of difference engine? A. Alan Turing, B. Charles Babbage, C. Seymour Cray, D. Augusta Adaming. Correct option is B. Charles Babbage. 3. Who is the father of computer? A. Alan Turing, B. Charles Babbage, C. Seymour Cray, D. Augusta Adaming. Correct option is B. Charles Babbage. 4. Who is the father of computer science? A. Alan Turing, B. Charles Babbage, C. Seymour Cray, D. Augusta Adaming. Correct option is A. Alan Turing. 5. Who is the father of personal computer? A. Edward Robert, B. Alan Turing, C. Charles Babbage, D. None. Here correct option is A. Edward Robert. 6. A CPU contains A. A card reader and a printing device, B. An analytical engine and a control unit, C. A control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, D. An arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. Here correct option is C. A control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. 7. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? A. User interface, B. Language translator, C. Platform, D. Screensaver. Here correct option is A. User interface. 8. The first computers were programmed using A. Assembly language, B. Machine language, C. Source code, D. Object code. Correct option is B. Machine language. 9. DAS is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. A. Network, B. Peripheral, C. Expansion board, D. Digital device. Correct option is A. Network. 10. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called A. Entry codes, B. Passwords, C. Security commands, D. Code words. Correct option is B. Passwords. 11. Which of the following statements is true? A. A mini computer works faster than microcomputer, B. Microcomputer works faster than mini computer, C. Speed of both computers are the same, D. The speeds of both these computers cannot be compared with the speed of advanced. The correct option is A. Mini computer works faster than microcomputer. 12. You recognize files by storing them in A. Archives, B. Folders, C. Indexes, D. Lists. Correct option is B. Folders. 13. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? A. Printers, B. Speakers, C. Floppy disk drives, D. Keyboards. Correct option is A. Printers. 14. Which device is required for the internet connection? A. Joystick, B. Modem, C. CD drive, D. NIC card. Correct option is B. Modem. 15. What is a light pen? A. A mechanical input device, B. Optical input device, C. Electronic input device, or D. Optical output device. Correct option is B. Optical input device. 16. UNIVAC is A. Universal automatic computer, B. Universal array computer, C. Unique automatic computer, D. Unvalued automatic computer. Correct option is A. Universal automatic computer. 17. CD-ROM stands for A. Compactable read-only memory, B. Compact data read-only memory, C. Compactable disk read-only memory, or D. Compact disk read-only memory. The correct option is A. Compactable read-only memory. 18. ALU is A. Arithmetic logic unit, B. Array logic unit, C. Application logic unit, or D. None. The correct option is A. Arithmetic logic unit. 19. VGA is a video graphics array, B. Visual graphics array, C. Volatile graphics array, D. Video graphics adapter. Correct option is A. Video graphics array. 20. IBM 1401 is a first generation computer. B. Second generation computer. C. Third generation computer. D. Fourth generation computer. Correct option is B. Second generation computer. 21. MSI stands for A. Medium scale integrated circuits. B. Medium system integrated circuits. C. Medium scale intelligent circuit. D. Medium system intelligent circuit. Correct option is A. Medium scale integrated circuits. 22. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is A. 1.40 MB, B. 1.44 GB, C. 1.4 GB, D. 1.44 MB. Correct option is D. 1.44 MB. 23. WAN stands for A. Wide area network, B. Wide area network, C. Wide array net, D. Wireless area network. Correct option is B. Wide area network. 24. MICR stands for A. Magnetic ink character reader, B. Magnetic ink code reader, C. Magnetic ink cases reader, or D. None. Here correct option is A. Magnetic ink character reader. 25. EBCDIS stands for, here correct option is A. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. 26. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? So the correct option is D. Arithmetic and logic unit. 27. CAD stands for A. Computer aided design, B. Computer algorithm for design, C. Computer application in design, or computer analog design. So CAD, that is computer aided design. Correct option is A. 28. Junk email is also called, correct option here is A. Spam. 29. Hackers. A. All have the same motive. B. Break into other people's computers. C. May illegally break into computers as long as they do not do any damage. D. Are people who are allergic to computers. So here correct option is B. Break into others people's computer. 30. What type of computers are client computers most of the time in a client server system? So here correct option is C. Microcomputers. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.